Okay, let's start the presentation on the transformative power of vibe coding, how the AI is shaping the future of software development. So start with let's discuss what is the vibe coding and what is its benefit. So vibe coding is like that you are doing the coding with help of AI. So AI agent will help you to complete your coding task. So what it will help you? The it is that coding you will see that it's very quickly you can build high quality functional code into your development code, and by this way it enhance your productivity. And as that agent is quite intelligent, it will increase your code quality. And also, so for example, if a new developer join a team, they can quickly take help of this agent and go through the code and what is there in which location. So the onboarding uh, thing will be the faster in this case. And also means in the development life cycle will be very fast once you onboard this AI agent or you use this vibe coding thing in your development project. And the developer personal experience, so with this AI adaptive tool, they actually it will increase their productivity. And also you have to consider that ethical part, that you should use the responsible UI, and keep in mind that you are not doing any bias thing, and security, IP rights, all those things should be ensured that you are maintaining the trust and fairness. So future developer definitely use this vibe coding in upcoming days, and this will improve their performance. And not only that, with that, this digital digitization phase will be get a rapid speed, because all those things earlier take a lot of time, now it will be faster. So we can see lot of new products, lot of new features, and this software will be more enhanced, more productivity. Okay, now I just wanted to give you a demo for this vibe coding. So for the demo, what I am taking, there is multiple tools which now started to provide you the AI agent. One of this is Visual Studio Code, and this you can see I am just taking agent, and it's with this plan I have multiple agent LLM model. I'm just using Cloud Sonnet 4. So what I try to give a demo that how is the new workspace, and I just wanted a small Python application to build, where I can show you that this application how quickly I can build from scratch. So for that I just need a simple prompt. For example, like a Python application, and it's just taking name and address and save internally, and you can export that later by CSV. So I just put this comment here. Yeah, make sure agent Cloud Sonnet. So this setup you can check with Google how you can set up this Copilot in Visual Studio Code. Very easy. There are multiple steps present in if you go to Google search or any other searching mode. So you just hit now that okay I need. So you can see you just have to follow this chat. So here whatever the agent is doing, he's actually step by step providing the details. So you have to follow. It's like your co co-developer or your colleague actually doing some code, but you need to know this correct what he is performing or he or she is performing, so that you can provide more support, any issue you can fix. So you can see he started writing this code, and let's see, means it's a new environment, everything is new. Let's see how fast we can do this simple Python application. Though simple, but it has a features like I will have to download. So you can see it's written up some code. Now it's try to install the Python environment in my local, so that I can run this in my local environment. Okay, so give some time to this agent and see how what he's doing. Yeah, so here you have to select a virtual environment. So yeah, I quick create, I'm just creating a virtual environment. It's better practice, correct? So for each your project, you create a separate environment so that the required necessary Python dependency you can add here, and your code can run on simple and clean environment. So you can see it's also doing some written some test script and running to check, okay, this application is there. Okay, now demo completed, correct? So context created. Let's see whether it's create a UI or not. If it's not, I will ask is to create a UI. Okay, it's created. Uh, okay, so it's creating an application in Windows. It has not created any UI for this, and this is working on batch file. You can quickly demo the content. Let me ask that. Okay, create a UI so that I can verify the functionality. So I asking, okay, now a GUI so that it's I know that I can test this backend application by some uh, Python CAI command, but it will be better if I get a UI now so that user can easily see what it is doing. And you can see it will take some time. It will create a UI and other all other part. So it's still working, and also it's giving the a chat what it is doing. So here you can see that I will create a graphical user interface for the contacts managing using. Okay, so it is using ticking tab. So this is part coming in the built-in UI. Okay, okay, it's updating the readme also. Readme, whatever the GUI will do, it's documenting all those information. Okay, and for example, you just start with the simple application, then later you put more comment. Okay, more prompt, like, okay, you need this functionality, additional functionality. Slowly it will build on the requirement. I will prefer start with a little smaller requirement, because if you give a big chunk of requirement the first, definitely means the AI agent is excellent resource and this has more capability, but still if you give full chunk in a one go, it may sometimes not uh, give the result you want. So I will always prefer start with your requirement, uh, kind of we do correct MVP, minimum viable product, small piece of functionality first, take taste that, then again ask this agent to enhance that application with the additional features. Okay, now it's giving a launcher also, because then it will be easier. I can click and launch that uh, application. Okay, it's yeah UI, but it's doing in some more features, I think. But I did earlier also big application with these. So initially I start with my requirement initially, and then slowly I add multiple features. Yeah, you can see all things are ready. I will just check how this is happened, and maybe if there is some small issues or anything, I definitely. Okay, so once it is run, I already have that UI. So I have to check. Okay, this UI is present here. Okay, now how I can, let me close this again. Try to reopen. So you can see, means, let me ask itself that to open that UI. Let me see if it is present shortcut in my desktop or not. Then that will be helpful. I'm not seeing any shortcut. Okay, let me ask agent itself. Please run the UI. Okay, so this is the Python script. If you run, okay, you can see this one. Okay, I think this recording has, I mean, this it is coming in my other screen. Let me see. Okay, maybe I will not able to move this up. So let me see what I can do here. Okay, okay. Now I'm just writing other screen because add contract I did, and then I did the export. Yeah, this is just simple app. It's open, but unfortunately, I'm not able to showcase in my this screen. So I just add my name and then export as a CSV. So that's all for this presentation. Hope this will help you. Yeah, I'll not able to show you that view of the UI because it is coming in my other screen. Okay, let me try another way. At least I will try to show you. And let me open a Word. How this look and view is there. Okay, new, and okay, this one is coming in this screen. And now what I'll do, I will do a split screen. So spin screen I did. So it's this the application in my local. So I added my name. Okay, it's still not properly visible. So I can do more better way. So you can see. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, this is the application. So I added this one and then export the CSV, and you can see in the Visual Studio. I can see. So I just adding another. Let's say ABC name. Address is also XYZ, and then I add that contact, and then I export to CSV. Yeah, test2. Maybe I give test2. It will be test2, and then I save. Okay, now test you can see. Okay, so test2, let me save that. Yes. Okay, now we can see this ABCXYZ also came into that. So this is simple programming. UI is also good. So any kind of small your daily job, you can quickly create an application and run it. And you can see how many minutes. It's a 5-10 minutes, and I am ready with a simple small UI based local application where I can do my tasks. So it's just a use case I take for simple to demo how this vibe coding works. And it's a simple tool I take in Visual Studio Code, but you can take, there's a lot of other I know, lot of other companies are providing tools, agents, and that all will be helpful. Yeah, for this demo, that's all. Thank you.